Hello children, I am Pratibha, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 of your book, Subtraction without borrowing. Children, what is subtraction? You all know because you already learned in class 1. Subtraction is a process of taking a number or amount from another, or we can say that it is the process of finding out difference between two numbers and amount. Children, sign of subtraction is minus and the answer of subtraction is called difference. When we subtract two numbers, the result we get we called as difference. Children, let's move towards our first concept, subtracting 0. You all know 0 equals to no object. We had already learned in class 1 that when 0 is subtracted from any given number, then the difference is the number itself, right? Let us understand with one example. You can see the picture of a flower pot and that flower pot contains 7 flowers, right? If I take 0 flower from that flower pot, how many flower remains in that pot? 7 only, because I didn't take any flower from that pot. So if I subtract 0 from any number, the answer is itself that number. So 7 minus 0 equals to 7. Let us learn another concept, subtracting number from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, then the difference is 0. Let us understand this concept through an example. Suppose if I take out all the fishes from the fish bowl, how many fishes are left in the bowl? 0. Right, student? So if we subtract a number from itself, then the difference is 0. So 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Or take one more example. Suppose if I subtract 3 from 3, so the answer is 0 only. Let us learn another concept, subtraction of two-digit numbers using expanded and short form. For example, if we have to subtract 56 from 87 using expanded form, what should we do? Okay children, look at the picture. What is the expanded form of 87? 80 plus 7. And what is the expanded form of 56? 50 plus 6. We have already learned this. So what do we do first? First we subtract ones. So 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Then we subtract tens. 80 minus 50 equals to what? 30, right? And for the final answer, what we do? We add both the number. 30 plus 1 equals to 31. So this was the expanded form. And this is how do we subtract from short form. Like, look at the picture. You can easily subtract 56 from 87. First subtract 6 from 7, you get 1, and then subtract 5 from 8, you get 3, and the answer is 31. Let us learn another concept, subtraction of three-digit numbers using expanded and short form. For example, if we have to subtract 432 from 568, first we do it with the expanded form. So children, expanded form of 568 equals to 500 plus 60 plus 8, and 432 is 400 plus 30 plus 2. So what we do first? Subtract the numbers at unit place. 8 minus 2 you get 6. Then subtract the numbers at tens place. 60 minus 30 equals to 30. Then subtract the numbers at 100 place. 500 minus 400 equals to 100. Use short form to add 130 and 6 and you get 136, and 136 is our answer. This is how do we subtract 432 from 568 using expanded form. We can use this method to subtract any number without borrowing, and with borrowing we learn in our next chapter. So now how do we subtract this number using our short form? You already know. we had already learned in our previous classes. So first what we do, we subtract unit place. So 2 is subtracted from 8 first, so the answer is 6. Then you subtract 3 from 6, you get the 3, and then subtract 4 from 5, you get 1. So our answer is 136. You get same answer in both the methods. So children, our chapter get over. I hope you all understand it very well. Thank you and have a nice day.